In algebra, the order of operations refers to the sequence in which mathematical operations should be carried out to solve an expression. This fundamental principle ensures that mathematical expressions are evaluated uniformly and accurately. The acronym PEMDAS guides the order of operations: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. Remembering PEMDAS is crucial for maintaining consistency and precision in mathematical calculations. Understanding the importance of the order of operations becomes evident when evaluating expressions involving multiple operations. By following PEMDAS, you guarantee the correct outcome by prioritizing specific operations over others. Calculations enclosed within parentheses take precedence and should be resolved first before applying any other operations. This rule establishes a hierarchy that streamlines the process of solving mathematical expressions effectively. Now, let's dive into a step-by-step breakdown of simplifying an arithmetic expression to demonstrate the practical application of PEMDAS. When dealing with expressions like 2 plus 3 is 4 minus 1, the initial step involves addressing the operation inside the parentheses. By systematically following the order of operations, the underlying mathematics unfolds clearly. Upon resolving the content within the parentheses, 4 minus 1 equals 3, the multiplication operation takes center stage. Multiplying the resulting value by the adjacent number yields a definitive product. Subsequently, the final step combines the earlier results, showcasing how adhering to the order of operations delivers an accurate and consistent solution in algebraic contexts. Through these illustrative examples, the significance of following PEMDAS becomes evident. This systematic approach ensures the integrity and correctness of mathematical solutions in algebra. The order of operations serves as the foundation for simplifying expressions and solving equations accurately. Mastering this concept empowers individuals to tackle mathematical challenges methodically. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with a practical exercise. Simplify the expression 5 plus 2, 8 minus 3, by applying the principles of PEMDAS. Always remember to follow PEMDAS diligently to guarantee precise results in your mathematical computations. Your commitment to mastering the order of operations will greatly enhance your problem-solving skills. Thank you for engaging in this educational journey and for embracing the systematic approach to mathematical operations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more enlightening content.